Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we will be presenting about the economic case study. So I'm going to start with introduction. My name is Nur Amni Arina binti Azlan. My ID number is BMI 2403013.
My name is Aina Madia binti Rosli. My ID number is BMI 2403001.
My name is Nora Batusha. My ID number BMI 2403011. We are from DIF 2B.
So I'm gonna start explaining the first case study. Given that price elasticity of demand (PED) LOKL Coffee, a local coffee in Kuala Lumpur, recently raised the price of its signature iced latte from RM9 to RM11. After the price increase, the monthly quantity sold dropped from 1,000 cups to 800 cups. So the first question is calculate the price of elasticity of demand for the iced latte. As you can see here, this is the formula. You just have to, as you can see here, this is the PED's formula. What you have to do is you have to divide the percentage changes in quantity demand over the percentage changes in price. If you break down this formula, you're gonna get Q2 minus Q1 over Q1 multiplied by P1 over P2 minus P1. Q2 stands for the new quantity demand, and then Q1 stands for the old quantity demand. Same goes for the P. P1 stands for the old price, and then P2 stands for the new price. So from the information given, we know that Q1 equal to 1,000, and then Q2 equal to 800, P1 equal to RM9, and then P2 equal to RM11. So the first step you're gonna do to calculate the PED is you have to calculate the changes in quantity. So Q2 minus Q1 over Q1. If you substitute the value into the formula, you're gonna get 800 minus 1,000, and then you have to divide it with 1,000. You're gonna get negative 200 over 1,000, and the final answer gonna be negative 0.2, or if you convert it into percentage, you're gonna get 20% percentage. The next step, you have to calculate the changes in price. So P2 minus P1 over P1. So we know that 11 is P2, and then P1 equal to 9. So we just have to minus that number and then divide it with 9. We're gonna get 2 over 9. Or if you change it into decimal, it's gonna be 0.222. Okay, so the last step to calculate PED is you're gonna take the final amount of changes in quantity, and then you have to divide it with the final amount of changes in price. So we know that the final answer for the changes in quantity is negative 0.2, and then we're gonna divide it with the final answer changes in price, 0.222, and then the final answer of PED is negative 0.9. Next question is, based on your calculation, interpret the elasticity. Should LOKL Coffee maintain the new price, and justify your answer? So as you can see here, the graph is sloping down because the amount of PED is 0.9, which is lesser than 1. So this means that the demand for the iced latte is priced inelastic. In simple terms, when the price increased from RM9 to RM11, the quantity sold only dropped slightly from 1,000 cups to 800 cups. This shows that the most customers continue to buy the product even after the price change. Since the decrease in quantity demand is smaller than the increase in price, the cafe is likely to earn higher total revenue, and this is actually a good sign for the business. In my opinion, keeping the new price maintained of RM11 is a good idea because the product shows inelastic demand, and the business can benefit from higher revenue. However, To maintain customer satisfaction and loyalty, the cafe should also offer promotions and discount occasionally. For example, like buy 5 get 1, or they can introduce combo sales like ice latte and then with a set of pastry to add more value. So by combining a smart pricing strategy with great service, the cafe can increase both revenue and customer retention.
Case study 2. Income elasticity of demand. During an economic upturn in Malaysia, average household income increased from 4,000 ringgit to 5,000 ringgit per month. A local organic food store observed that sales of organic rice increased from 600 kg to 900 kg per month. So question A, calculate the income elasticity of demand for organic rice. So the formula EY equal percent changes quantity demanded per percent change income. So first we need to get percent changes of quantity demanded. So EY equal Q2 minus Q1 per Q1 multiply 100. So we get 900 minus 600 per 600 multiply 100. We get 15%. After that, we need to find percent change income. Percent change in income equal Y1 per Y2 minus Y1. So we get 4,000 per 5,000 minus 4,000 multiply 100. So in multiply we need to change. So 5,000 minus 4,000 per 4,000 multiply 100, we get 25%. So we use the formula for EY equal percent change quantity demanded per percent change in income. We get 50 per 25 equal 2.0. Question B. Interpret the results and explain what type of good organic rice is. What should the store consider in its future planning? So, looking to the graph in the slide, since the EY equal 2.0 is more than 1, organic rice is a luxury good with income elastic demand. So that as income increases, the demand for organic rice also increases. In my opinion, the store should focus on making organic rice look more premium, such as upgrade the packaging to make organic rice more elegant. Additionally, they need focus to do an advertisement to wealthier customers and offer more choices. The store can do a bundle organic rice with other healthy products and sell them at a lower price. This will encourage customers to keep buying even when prices are high. In the future, if people's income goes down, fewer will buy organic rice. The store can adjust prices or give discounts to keep sales steady. They can also offer loyalty programs and discounts to reward regular customers. For example, they can give cashback or points for every purchase. These steps help the store keep customers interested, attracted, even if their income changes over time. This way, sales remain steady and customers continue buying organic rice. Case study 3. cross elasticity of demand, a fast food chain in Malaysia noticed that after the price of fried chicken at a competing chain dropped from 12 ringgit to 10 ringgit, the sales of its grilled chicken burgers decreased from 2,000 to 1,600 units per week. Question A. Calculate the cross elasticity of demand between fried chicken and grilled chicken burgers. So the formula is EX equal percent change in quantity demand of product A per percent change in price of product B. So product A is grilled chicken burgers, product B is fried chicken. So the calculation EX equal 1,600 minus 2,000 per 1,600 multiply 12 per 10 minus 12. So we get negative 1 per 4 multiply negative 6. And we get 6 per 5 equal 1.2. Question B. What does this value imply about the relationship between the two products? How should the fast food chain respond? So look to the graph in the slide. We know that the relationship is the positive cross elasticity of demand. Value means that grilled chicken burgers and fried chicken are substitutes. This means that when the price of fried chicken goes down, more people choose to buy fried chicken instead of grilled chicken burgers. That is why the sales of grilled chicken burgers drop. So, since the two products are substitutes, the fast food chain should take action to attract customers back to grilled chicken burgers. One way is to lower the price of grilled chicken burgers to make them more competitive with fried chicken. Another option is to offer customers promotions or meal deals to encourage them to buy grilled chicken burgers. The fast food chain can also make grilled chicken burgers more special by improving the recipe, adding new flavors, or highlighting the health benefits. This will help keep customers interested in the product. So, by taking this step, the fast food chain can reduce the impact of the price change of fried chicken and maintain strong sales of grilled chicken burgers.
Now, let's talk about case study 4. Price elasticity of supply. A local durian farm in Pahang increased the selling price of Musang King durian from 45 ringgit to 60 ringgit per kg. In response, the farm increased supply from 500 kg to 700 kg. Question A. Calculate the price elasticity of supply. We use a formula price elasticity supply, change in quantity supply divided by change in price. First, let's calculate the percentage change in quantity supply. The original quantity is 500 and it increased to 700. Using the formula, we get a 16.6% increase. Next, we calculate the percentage change in price. The price rise from 45 to 60, which result in a 14.2% increase. Finally, we divided the two percentage, 16.6% divided by 14.2%, and we got 1.2 for price elasticity supply. Question B. Interpret the result and explain the implication for the farm production decision. Price elasticity supply is 1.2, which means that supply is elastic. This tells us that a change in price leads to more than proportional change in the quantity supply. In this case, when the price of Musang King durian increased from 45 ringgit to 60 ringgit per kilogram, the farm increased its supply from 500 kg to 700 kg. So, what does this mean for the farm? Firstly, the farm has a responsive supply. It can increase production relative easily possible due to available resources. Secondly, there are profit opportunity. With electric supply, a price increase not only raise the price per unit but also increase the quantity sold, leading to a significant boost in total revenue. Lastly, from a strategic point of my view, the fund could consider investing further in expanding land, improving productivity, or upgrading technology, since it can respond effectively to change in market price. Thank you.
That's all from us. Thank you.